Hello, my name is Andrei, and I was working with IBM on Power11 pre-J program. So let me talk about 3 features I like in new Power11 PowerVM New Features. So these are energy modes, scheduling, resource groups, and one-touch updates. We already had in Power 10, 9 several energy modes. So we had maximum performance mode, we have energy save mode, and maximum energy, if I recall correctly. So energy. So everything is good, but to change these modes, you have to go into Ask Me menu. So open HMC, open Ask Me, change the mode. Nowadays, with new HMC version 11, we have inside HMC for each server the possibility to set these energy modes. But even more, we can set schedule for the modes. So let's say you don't need your service actively in the night. You just tell, okay, from 22 till 6 p.m. a.m. it will be time for energy save mode. And from 6 a.m. till 18 a.m. or something like, it will be max performance mode because my users work with my systems. So this is the first feature. The second feature, what we have now, is so-called resource groups. I hope you remember it was started with Power 7 systems. We have got bigger boxes, and in each box we have CPU and RAM. We have, for example, the second box inside our system also with RAM and CPU. And if we can start LPAR, so it can happen that LPAR gets some CPUs from here and some RAM from here, which is not so optimal for performance. So we must do it somehow other ways. So we had affinity groups, we could do it most of the time manually. But nowadays we've got resource groups with Power11. With resource groups, we can pack several LPARs together. So let's say we have our production environment, and this is for us more important. Let's say this is our production environment, and this will be our resource group number 1, and it will get more priority. It should have more resources, and this is our test resource group, which is not so important. So, and hypervisor will try to place everything so that it works together and better and it got more resources. So and the third feature, which I can show here, is one-touch updates. Believe me, so you know the problem. You want to update firmware, for example, on your power managed systems, and you need to shut down LPARs if the update should be done offline. You should tell your customers or your users that you will do maintenance and so on and so on. That's not so nice in the bigger environments. So, and that's why we have now one-touch update. So you just say, I will start update, and HMC will take care of bringing LPARs out of the system, evacuate the LPARs, start the update, do the updates, so then bring LPARs back, and so you have no downtime for your customers. These were 3 features I like most in Power11 PowerVM that came yesterday, were announced yesterday. And I will link down a blog of Pete from IBM which describes these features and even more.